Today I will show you how to install Plank on Ubuntu and get rid of default Ubuntu-dock. First of all, we have to install Plank. Write your password. Okay, now search for Plank application to start it up. Okay, we can see it started up by holding control and right clicking on Plank. We can show preferences. These are my preferences. I'm gonna leave it as they are. And now we can make Plank starting up automatically on Ubuntu startup by finding startup application. Just add Plank. It doesn't really matter what the command and name is, what the name and command is. Only important is command. You can add it. Okay, this will sort things out so that Plank will start automatically. Now we can get rid of default Linux dock by typing all these commands will be in the description. Okay, now it's done, and we don't see a result right now because we have to reboot our machines, so sudo reboot will do the trick. Now we can see the result, so there is no more Ubuntu default dock, and we have only our new Plank dock. I just want to show you one more thing. You can keep in dock any application. You just need to open it, like Firefox, and then you just right click on it and press keep in dock, and it will stay there even if you close the application. I want to show you one more thing. I like to clear my desktop, so I don't like folders and applications appearing in there. So for that we'll need to install gnome-tweaks. Okay, it's installed. We can start it by searching for it, tweaks, and then in in extensions we'll choose settings and just deselect these two, and as you can see the icons disappeared, and now we are set up to code. Thank you for watching. See you later.